The 80-20 rule, or Pareto Principle, states that roughly 80% of outcomes result from 20% of causes. It highlights that a small portion of efforts often leads to the majority of results, encouraging people and businesses to identify and focus on the most impactful actions. Example: in sales, a company might find that 80% of its revenue comes from just 20% of its clients. By identifying this top 20% and understanding their needs, the company can strengthen these high-value relationships, increase profits, and direct resources more effectively. Conclusion: the 80-20 rule suggests that by focusing on the key activities, the vital 20%, individuals and businesses can achieve greater efficiency, productivity, and success. This principle applies across many areas: work, personal goals, and resource management, making it a powerful strategy for prioritizing high-impact action.